Tyler Ramos.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single weekday right here at 5:45 p.m. right after ATB. Who said, Rob, I see you. He says, Frankie's always late. BitBoy taught him well. You're funny, Rob. You're funny. Can't be, yeah, I guess technically 2 minutes. But hey, we're usually pretty good. Welcome back, guys. Thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. We got a great show today, guys. The price action remains somewhat sketchy. It has been it's been rough out there for the trades. A lot of scammy price action. As you guys know, last night, right after the stream, right before the monthly close, we had that big rip up. Kind of sketchy, right? Was it just a regular short squeeze, or was this some whale that, didn't want that monthly close to close below a certain price and just kind of dumped in, pushed that price up a little bit so the monthly can close above that support? Who knows? There's really no way to tell, but very interesting stuff. This is kind of what's making, trading kind of rough out here. It's just all this scammy pumps and dumps and wicks. So be careful out there. Make sure you have your stop losses set. Make sure you don't walk away from your computer without your stop loss set like I did. We all know that did not wind up good. But we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. We'll take a look at some of the alts. And I'm going to let you guys know where I think the price is headed. Obviously, we are headed into a holiday weekend. So, might be some, again, continue that scammy kind of sideways volatility over the holiday weekend. Maybe a little bit of lower volume this weekend, being that people are going to be, probably not sitting at their charts. They're going to be sitting in their backyard, barbecuing, lighting off fireworks. So be ready for some weird price action, guys. I'll let you guys know, I probably won't be trading this weekend. I was looking to try to get into a trade today, but again, just a lot of mixed signals, as I'm going to show you guys here in just a second. But without further ado, let's say what's up to chat, and then let's jump right into the charts. Old McDonough had a crypto farm. Captain Kirk, your names are getting funnier and funnier every single day. I don't know if this one's my favorite or the other one. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. They've been really good lately. They just get better and better every single day. I like this little trend we got going on. But let's see who we got. Let's start off with the mods. You guys will notice a new blue name, Rob the Crypto Snob. Everybody welcome Rob. He's an OG, super helpful guy. So we made him a mod. He helps us out in the Discord a lot. We think, he's always in here already. So we figured we'd, see if he can help us out a little bit in chat. But shout out to Rob the Crypto Snob, Crypto Anon, Captain Kirk, Tony D, and Tyler Durden. We're up to 5 mods now, not including Mrs. Candles. But let's see who else we got in here. Andrew, what is going on? Thank you for being here. Dashing BH, what is going on? Palmetto Nick says, my favorite part of the night. My favorite part of the night. My favorite part of the night, Palmetto. I appreciate you. You're the man. Juan, what is going on? CandleMafia in the house. Ross Reynolds, what's up? Daddy Zach, what's going on? Crypto Gary, Crypto 420, V Slim, welcome back. Good to see you, brother. AD, what is going on? Good to see you again. Eric, old McDonough had a crypto farm. Alex, what is going on? Frankie, my Italian stallion, God bless you. Thank you for showing up and providing that Paisan sauce. Yeah, I got you guys with the Paisan sauce anytime you need. And hey, some people say, is that a sauce stain? No, that's just some good old black coffee. Actually, we're laying off the Hawaiian volcanic water for now. It just gives me a little too much energy and I can't sleep. So we're just going right back to the black coffee, and we got our big jug of water here. But let's read off a couple more names before we get started. Slipstream, yo, what is going on? He says yo. I'm not saying yo. Cows World, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Crypto Crazy Irish, hi Frankie. I keep 80% of my crypto on my Trust Wallet app. Is this safer than an exchange, or is it just as risky? Listen, with something like Trust Wallet, not your keys, not your crypto. So if you have your private keys, then that is safer than an exchange. Real quick, Joel, do you want to come say hi? Guys, if you are not already following Hit Gaming, Hit Gaming is finally launching, and we've got Joel, who is the face of Hit Gaming. They were just live.
What up?
Definitely go follow them. Do you have a schedule of when you go live yet, or is it kind of sporadic?
It's not set yet. I'm
Okay.
so sorry.
It's
Because
not.
everyone goes live all the time, so
Yeah, we're kind of, if I'm not live, they're live. If Ben's not live. So definitely keep an eye out. I'll keep you guys alerted maybe in the Discord when they go live. I'll share the link. But definitely, if you're not already following Hit Gaming, go follow them. They were just playing Mario Kart, so it was fun. And I was there.
Mario Kart?
Was
or
it
Mario Kart?
Oh, okay. It's Mario. There we go.
Italian, that's
It's
the But yeah, so Hit Network Gaming on Twitch and Hit Gaming on YouTube. Thanks for the shout out.
Of course. There you go, guys. Go follow them. Have a good weekend, brother. Go follow them right now, guys. You know, I pop on. Who knows? Maybe Ben will pop on for a game or two. I know he's a big Street Fighter guy, I think, and a Madden guy. So definitely go give them a follow. And then let's read a couple more names. Eric, what's going on? Ethan, what's going on? Wolfman. Ate my oh no, that's not. Oh, Wolfman ate my coins. What's going on? Crypto Billy, as always. What's up, man? Much respect to you, Crypto Billy, and Jimmy Void, Jimmy Two Shoes, as we call him. Real quick, Jimmy, I want you to reach. I was told to have you. Someone literally hit me up on our internal messaging system in the office here and said, "Hey, can you have Jimmy Void message Hit Merch on Instagram?" I don't really know what it's in. I don't know anything other than that. Someone just said, "Hey, Frankie, you're friends with Jimmy. Can you get them to message us on Instagram?" So hit up Hit Merch on Instagram. They want to ask you a question, or I don't know. They want something from you. But that's for you, Jimmy. Shout out to you. I got my black coffee. Salud, my paisan. All right, guys. With all that being said, don't forget we're giving away a bunch of NFTs and maybe some extra stuff. I'm actually going to create a poll. We're going to do a giveaway. Not only are we going to do the NFTs, we're going to give away a little extra something. But I need help from you guys. I'm going to make a poll. What else should we give away? We're already giving away, it's not 20, but it's close to 20 NFTs. I think it's like 14, 15, maybe it's 15. I don't know. But we're giving away a bunch of NFTs. But I want to give away something extra, right? So should we give away 2 ledgers? So 2 hardware wallets. Should we give away 200 XRP? You guys are gonna have to bear with me if there's any typos in here. I don't want to waste too much time doing this. 200. Oh no! What just happened? I don't even know what just happened. It just got erased. What should we give away? We're already like I said, 15 NFTs. Should we give away 2 hardware wallets, which I feel like is fitting for the times that we're in right now. Everybody's trying to get their crypto off exchanges. 2 hardware wallets, 200 XRP, 200 Cardano. I'll just do ADA. 200 ADA. Or 2 Frankie Candles hats. You guys let me know on the poll. I think there's a ton of typos in here, but I don't want to waste too much time here. Let me know what you guys want to give away. I want to give away a little extra. I'm giving 2 of whatever it is, or 200 if it's crypto. Just because 20,000 followers, I figured, 2 extra ledgers. I just wanted to give away a little something extra because 20,000 is pretty crazy. It's a pretty big milestone. I know it's no 50K or 100K or a million, but hey, we got to take what we can get. And then I think at 25K, I think we're going to do like a huge YouTube giveaway. So definitely, let me know what you guys want to give away. Yeah, the hardware wallets I feel like are probably going to win this, but you guys let me know. I want to leave it up to you guys. And with all of that being said, guys, let's go ahead. Oh no, I just messed that up brutally. Let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Okay, here we go. 302 people in here, guys. Smash that like button if you want to spin the wheel of pain and pleasure for a chance to win some giveaways. Every 100 likes, you guys get a spin on the wheel, and there's 2 chances for giveaways on that wheel. Like I said, you guys already landed on it 15 times this week. So if we get 500 likes, I know it's a holiday weekend. It's probably going to be a pretty slow stream, but if you guys get 500 likes, I'll give you 10 spins on the wheel. So you guys will get 10 extra chances for giveaways, and then we're giving away that extra stuff as well. Just want to give back to the community because you guys are the best, and you guys make this possible. So we want to show our appreciation to you guys. So 12 NFTs. I'm sorry, not 15. Let's just make it 15 because I lied and said 15. So thank you for that, Tyler. I appreciate you. Let's just add 3 more. I'll add the 3 more. So 15 NFTs, and then 2 hats, 200 Cardano, or 2 hats, or 200 Cardano, or 200 ADA, or 2 hardware wallets. So you guys let me know in that poll, and let's get into it. Sorry, Tyler. Okay, here we go. Starting off on the, not the 12-minute. We're not starting off on the 12-minute here, guys. Starting off on the daily, right? Well, we'll start on the weekly, I guess. No green dot, still that VWAP. Now, I know Market Cypher B looks a little different, guys. I just changed the VWAP to a line instead of a colored-in wave, just because I think it's much easier to see like this, especially for you guys. So we are still knocking on the door of that 0 line. So could be printing a green dot here somewhat soon, so it doesn't look horrible. We'll see what happens. The candle closes on Sunday, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully, we can get that green dot to start printing. 4-day green dot confirmed. Obviously, we went over that in the last stream. 2-day bullish divergence. And then the daily VWAP is coming back up. Now, see, this is kind of what I was saying. Like when we were printing that red dot on the daily, you wanted to be careful. You know, because sometimes, you know, you come down, cross over that 0 line, and you get a big dump. And we did come down a bit, right? But I said be careful because you could turn right back around. That is looking like what is happening right now. So watch out for that green dot to print on the daily. Now, you know, obviously longer time frames are still, you know, still not invalidated. That 2-day is not printing that red dot yet, although that VWAP is knocking on the door right there. But it's still not invalidated. You could still technically get a bounce off of that 0 line with the VWAP. So keep that in mind. But daily, about to print that green dot as well. Honestly, not too bad. If we could print that green dot, that red dot on the daily was not too bad. Pretty much what I expected. A little bit of a dump, but nothing too crazy. Now, we do have some bearish things popping up on the signs. So we do have some bearish signs popping up on the charts here. Now, it is on the 8-hour chart, which is a pretty high time frame, pretty strong time frame. And here you go. It's that 8-hour yellow manipulation X. You know, last time we got one right here brought us down about 14%. So are we going to see that happen? Now, if you back test this a little more, that other one was 14%. This one brought us down 18%. This one brought us down 3%, right? So we'll just back test them. This one brought us down, you know, 10%. So they do vary on this time frame, right? Like obviously this one didn't bring you down much. This one brought you down a lot. But here's a little different, right? Because you have the money flow just crossing over into the red. What does the money flow look like right now? Let's see. Yeah, so you have money flow coming up, right? So if we have the yellow X printing here, as the money flow is about to cross into the red, that might play out a little worse. And you can see here, this one played out, what was this one? Like 13%, about 14%. Yeah, about 14%. If we see this one play out like the last one, you know, 14% would bring us coincidentally, you know, right near this spider line right here. So, and that is coming in at about 16,682. So could we be on our way there? You know, not impossible. Yellow X on the 8-hour, not very bullish. Actually pretty bearish looking. Now, obviously, we've been talking about the 4-hour being in the red with the money flow. Another reason why we are feeling a little bit bearish. But like I said, like Evan Aldo was saying, you know, when we had him on the show this week, he was saying, you know, those longer time frames, they take time to play out. I tell you guys that all the time. They take time to play out. And then you just kind of want to ignore some of the noise on the shorter time frames. Now, that's not forever, right? You don't want to just, you know, when they get invalidated, you obviously want to realize that. But right now, they're not invalidated yet. We could still get a bounce. It's to be 100% honest, I don't think it's looking that good. It looks like we could possibly print that. We are close to printing that red dot on the 2-day. So that would completely, you know, that would not be good for that bullish divergence on the 2-day. But money flow back in the red on the 4-hour. We talked about that yesterday. Not too much has changed, but let's take a look at, yeah, see, now you're getting blood diamond on the 1-hour. We already had that, but blood diamond printing on the 1-hour currently probably going to bring us down to this spider line here at about 18.9. 45, let's check the rest of these time frames. Blood diamond on the lower time frames. 45-minute had a blood diamond. Any yellow X's? Not seeing anything too. I mean, blood diamond starting to pop up on the lower time frame. So, you know, it is looking somewhat bearish. Let me actually zoom out a little bit. And then, yeah, so, you know, we do have a logarithmic spider line at about 19K even. So are we going to go head back to 19K even? Definitely possible. Let's come up to a higher time frame here. Now, kind of what I am keeping an eye on, if we come to this chart right here, do I still have the volume profile? I do. So this is kind of what I'm looking for, guys. If we come to a lower time frame, maybe the 24-minute, zoom out, get that volume profile to print. Come on, there we go. Now, we are below this value area low, right? You could see, right? We always talk about this. Speaking of that, guys, we did put out the our new video. It went out today. It did go out today. It's live. It was our how to find volume gaps, right? I went over the VPVR and how I use it to find gaps in volume and find big moves for Bitcoin, big parabolic moves and big dumps. Super, super useful, guys. I have to say, volume is one of those things that, like, when you learn about volume, like, it can totally change the game for you. These volume profiles are super, 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 super useful. It's like having X-ray vision into the market. And you could see, we always talk about, you know, if you break this value area low, you could actually get sucked right back up towards that point of control. It's actually very likely that it happens. And this is a perfect example, right? You slip, you lose the value area. And then you slip right back in towards that point of control. The point of control, which is basically just a high volume node, they act as magnets, right? It's where more of the volume is traded. And then when you have low volume nodes, there's not a lot of volume there, right? So there's not a lot of support or resistance. Price typically tends to fall right through it or shoot right up through it. So very, very helpful. So go check out that video, as well as if you guys want a second entry into the giveaways, you can go leave a like, drop a comment on that video as well, and get entered in. So you have 2 chances to win. We're going to pull half of the giveaways from one video, half of the giveaways from another video. So mods, if we could link that video in the chat, I'm sure you probably already did. But if we could link that as well, you maybe just throughout the stream, just kind of, you know, put them in once in a while. Say, if you guys want to enter, go like and comment on this video, be a subscriber. And then if you want to just go do that, come back to the stream. And then afterwards, I highly recommend you go watch that. The trading bot video is really fun, really cool. But the volume profile video, go check that video out, guys. I think you guys will get a lot of value, a lot of sauce out of that video for sure. But kind of what I was looking for here is, you know, the dump, the bearish retest, you come down lower, and then we could have had a second chance to kind of get rejected here and get an entry. I was waiting for an actual touch of this level. We didn't get it. So maybe we come up and actually touch it before coming lower. But watching for these, you know, that blood diamond on the, oh, it went away. Did it go away? Or is it just on the other chart? Yeah, it might just be. Yeah, so it's just on the Coinbase chart. This is a good sign that, you know, as we're rejecting off of that value area low, we could come, you know, we could come down with the confirmation of that blood diamond. So now, like I said, we're seeing a lot of conflicting information, and I'm going to point it out to you guys right now. You know, 1 hour actually doesn't look that bad, like, you know, other than the blood diamond, which you do want to take into account. This could definitely bring you down. They do bring you down a decent bit, right? This one brought you down a decent bit. So you don't want to ignore this, but the money flow actually looks pretty good, right? It's coming back down, but generally you're coming up here. So that actually does not look that bad, right? So you want to, that kind of looks a little good, right? That looks kind of good. If you come to the 30-minute, this looks really good. You know, as I guess we're back in the red here, but you know, money flow coming up here. The 15-minute, again, money flow crossover into the green, right? And then you had this nice little trigger wave here before you had this little pop up. Now checking the 4-hour VWAP, right? You got support on that 0 line with your VWAP. If you get that crossover, keep a close eye on that 15-minute crossover, 15-minute money flow crossover, that green wave. You want to see that green wave cross down below the 0 line at the same time that you're having the yellow VWAP wave, or line in this case, crossing down over the 0 line. If they happen at the same time, it could be indicating that we're going to come down a good bit. So levels, as far as levels that I'm watching, let's see. As far as levels, I would say for Bitcoin, watch this spider line here at about 19K even. This blood diamond could easily bring us down there. If we break that, watch this value area low. We didn't quite touch it here, but you know, we should find some good support on that level. So there's 2 levels, and that is at about 18,483. And the blood diamond just disappeared live, everybody. Did you see that? The blood diamond disappeared live. There you go. So it is printing and unprinting. Definitely, that's what I mean, guys. Mixed signals. That's why you don't want to front run these things, right? You could have entered a short just now because, oh my God, there's a blood diamond on the 1 hour, right? Let me get in, right? But you don't want to front run it because obviously they can disappear. It could come right back, right? So you want to wait one more candle. Wait for that next candle to print for that blood diamond to be locked in. And you should, you know, you'll be a little bit safer with that, right? There you go. Just pop back up. So you want to watch it. It is flashing on the chart, so that's not a good sign, but you want to see if it confirms because it could disappear, right? Now, so there you go, 19,000 and 18,483. Those are the next levels I'm watching to the downside. As wow, this thing is just flashing back. Now it's back again. But those are some levels I am watching. And then to the upside, if we do wind up getting a move to the upside, you know, these are getting a little. I would watch this value area high level at about 20,124. It is a value area high, pretty strong level of resistance. So if we get that ride up to there, you could look for possible rejections. Obviously, you want to use some confirmations, not financial advice. So there's some levels you can watch real quick. Let's pop in on the DXY and check in on the DXY. For those of you who don't know, anyone who is just tuning in or is new and you don't know what the DXY is, it's just the U.S. dollar currency index. It basically measures the strength of the U.S. dollar versus a group of other currencies, right? So you want to, typically it moves inverse of Bitcoin or crypto, right? So when it goes up, Bitcoin dumps. When it goes down, Bitcoin rips, right? Now, we are seeing, we did find some support on these levels, right? You bounced here, you bounced here, you bounced here. It's a clear level, right? You got rejected, 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 right? So strong level here. You came up, you corrected, healthy correction down, found support, and now you're coming higher. Are you going to find some support now on this level before continuing higher? So this is what we are watching. Now, you could be putting in, you know, a possible double top here. And then maybe it comes down and we get a little relief rally. That could be possible. I know some people were talking about the Batman in the Discord. In the Discord earlier, they were talking about the Batman pattern, right? You know, this is kind of like the Batman pattern. You got the 2 ears, you got the eye, maybe some mean eyebrows, right? And then that's Batman. But you could be putting in that double top. Maybe that's when we get the relief rally. But you know, looking at the money flow, right? We had that 4-hour money flow crossover into the red, but now it is back in the green. So you want to realize that you could, you know, you could continue higher here. So be very careful with those longs. And then let's just check this SPY real quick. Now we don't have our levels here anymore. But this was the main level we were watching right here that we got some support off of. You know, just kind of, yeah, I mean, too soon to tell, but, you know, this could wind up turning into a bear pennant possibly. If you can continue to coil up inside of this pattern here, it could wind up being a bear pennant for a further move down. But not much to deduce from this. Just watch that DXY in case that runs. Let's check chat real quick before continuing. Continuing more here. Does blood is back? Whoop! Let's go. Beanie Baby Trading. Hey, maybe we'll start a second channel, the Beanie Baby Trading channel. Frankie, how do you think the holiday weekend is going to affect the BTC price? I expect sideways, you know, maybe scammy sideways action is kind of what I'm expecting. Maybe a dump. But you have to understand it's a holiday weekend. A lot of people are not going to be sitting at the charts. A lot of people have off of work. So a lot of people aren't going to be trading. A lot of people are going to be like hanging out with their families, doing fireworks, stuff like that. So I expect it to be sideways and scammy, probably. Let's see. Yeah, bear pennants all over the BTC charts. Yeah, I mean, yeah, and the bear pennants have been playing out in a bear market. The bear pennants and the bear flags have been super reliable, right? But the trend is your friend until it ends, right? So you don't want to wind up, you know, you could short in a bear market. You're gonna do better shorting than longing in a bear market, but you want to realize that, you know, it's only going to last so long before the trend turns around and shorting is not your best friend anymore. But you're definitely better off being more greedy with the shorts and more conservative with the longs. Just for the sole fact that, you know, if you're trying to long every bounce, right, you're going to wind up catching a falling knife. Dang it. I caught the falling knife. All right, now this is definitely going to be the bottom. I'm going to long it, and then boom, it dumps again. You caught another falling knife. So you want to be careful with that. You know, to be 100% honest with you guys, like I said, the trading has been rough lately. I have been kind of just, you know, waiting. I let my one trade sit. We got yesterday, that whole thing happened with my ETH trade, right? And I've just been kind of sitting on the sidelines. I'm letting the dust settle. There's no need to have to jump into every single, you know, you don't have to be hunting and getting into a trade every 5 minutes, right? I'm letting the dust settle. We got a lot of weird stuff going on. Holiday weekend, let the dust settle, guys. Just so you guys know, I won't be really trading that much this weekend. You know, maybe if I see a crazy setup, obviously I'll let you guys know. But, you know, I'm probably going to take it easy. You know, and just let things calm down a little bit and wait for more clear signals. Because right now, it's like the 30-minute looks bullish, but the 4 hour, you know, everything is just all over the place. So you let the dust settle, wait for more clear signals, wait for more confluence to pop up on the charts. Because right now it is very, very back and forth, very, very hard to read. Not even hard. So there's a difference. Not hard to read, but just getting mixed signals, right? Like there's clear bull signals and then clear bear signals, right? 8 hour yellow X is a clear bear signal, right? But then you have a 2-day bullish divergence. So it's very, very easy to read, but very conflicted. Let's see. Pin it, Frankie Chemistry Bro called it. Where is it? Chemistry Bro. I think the trend is changing. Everyone's calling for 10 to 14K. I don't think we see it. I'm calling it. There we go. Put it at the top. Pin it. I'm pinning it. Wait, why can't I pin it? Oh, replace pin message. Okay, there you go. Bada boom. It's pinned, Chemistry Bro. You have a point, right? Usually when everybody's calling for lower, that's usually when you see a turnaround. It would make a lot of sense to see some relief here. So, you know, it would make a decent amount of sense. Let's see. Can't get enough, Frankie. Can't get enough of Frankie. Join the Discord server for more Frankie Candles TA and hang out with the finest trading community to share the love of trading. Speaking of that, guys, let's go ahead and boom. I want to show the Discord, guys, because the Discord has evolved quite a bit. Now let me just go to here. Bada boom, right? If you guys are not in the Discord, join the Discord. I'm about to show you why you need to be in there. And the number one reason is it's 100% free, guys. It is 100% free. There's no catch. This is 100% free, and we're just giving you guys extra sauce. If you guys want to box up your sauce on the show and take it home with you, sign up for the Discord. Join the Discord. But I'm going to show you guys why this is so awesome, right? Right, we have an announcements page, right? This is where we put all of our, you know, if I upload a video, it pops up here, so it lets you guys know. Rules, and then orientation is when you join, right? You'll just get, this gives you all the rules and what you got to do, you know, a Discord overview for running, for a running list of frequently asked questions. They kind of just let you know where everything is. We have a frequently asked question. All our discounts, right? We have a Lux Algo discount code, Frankie20, get 20% off of Lux Algo. We have been testing that out a lot lately. And then official links. This is just, you know, all our socials, my website, Lux Algo, discount codes, stuff like that. And then this is probably the spot that you want to watch. Frankie Candles TA, right? I have BTC and ETH and alts, right? So Bitcoin, I will put this stuff in. It's not every single day, but anytime I can, I will put my TA in here. We make a lot of really good calls in here. We should just call this the crystal ball room, because sometimes it feels like we have a crystal ball. But we put, you know, I am pretty active in here, and it's 100% free. I do not charge for this. We don't give direct signals, But as you guys can see, I kind of let you know what I think price will do. And if Market Cipher B says this and price comes down to this level, this is probably what I'm doing, right? So it's not signals, but if you read between the lines, it's very valuable information, but definitely not financial advice. We're just doing this for entertainment purposes only, but definitely some really, really valuable information in here. People are loving it, right? ETH, we put it in here. I also share my live charts, so you can click on this. It'll bring you to my live chart with all of my levels. So if you want to keep an eye on the levels that I'm watching, you don't have to draw them and try to watch the stream and find the prices and make your own levels. Just click on this and you can have my chart. And then we do some alt TA as well. And then if you guys want to go to the timestamps here, this is actually pretty useful. You know, if you want to rewatch a stream, that kind of lets you know where everything is, so you don't have to watch the whole 2-hour stream. And then right here is probably the other big place you guys want to be, is the trading group. This is where all of the traders on this channel come together. They share trade ideas. They share their charts. Hey, I see this on the charts. And then maybe you have someone who's really experienced saying like, hey, typically when that happens, it doesn't play out as well as you think it would. Or we all teach each other here. We all learn from each other here. Super, super valuable stuff. So everybody's kind of chatting, talking charts here. And then you can see we just added the mob bot. And this is when you level up and stuff. Ciao, paisanos. Get a load of cryptopher. You think you got the best meatballs on the block because you're level 1 now? Forget about it. It's cool stuff. We have a lot of fun stuff in here. Bring back the GIF. But yeah, and then we have a BTC public BTC TA, right? And then altcoin TA. And then off-topic resources right here. This is great too for anyone who's new. We share really good resources, free stuff that you could look at if you're looking for, like right here, stuff like this, cheat sheets if you're looking at patterns, how they play out, where their necklines are, how to trade them. Really, really good stuff here for beginners. Kind of a good place to start for you guys. You know, really, really good stuff. Then we have our winners wall, which we absolutely love. This is where everybody posts their wins and a loss there too as well. We don't hate on that. Everyone keeps saying reversals. But yeah, this is where everybody puts their wins. So we're doing really good. 72%, 48%, 2.7%. But yeah, really, really, really cool stuff here, guys. Ooh, is that a 506% for keep going BTC? Let's go. And then, you know, we got content suggestions if anybody wants to see any specific videos. But really, really, really cool stuff. Really a lot of value packed into a Discord that you don't have to pay for, right? We're giving you my direct TA and my calls, my predictions just for absolutely free. We don't charge for it, right? I'm very blessed to be in the position where we don't really have to charge for this stuff. So really cool. Get in there if you're not already. And it's hilarious sometimes. It's fun. We're all friends in there. Sometimes I go, you know, we have the 20K party in there. And, you know, I went live with my charts and we did like a live TA session and people were asking questions live. It was really, really, really cool. So definitely get in there. Lot jam-packed with that sauce. Let's see. Can anyone join the Discord or do you need some skills? I want to learn as much as I can. I want to be with the best. Hey, Ruan B, the one. Dude, yeah, 100%, dude. Just get in there. You do not have to be experienced. You can be, if you've never looked at a chart before, it actually might be a good place for you to go. And then feel free to reach out to me, guys. I do get a lot of DMs. I try to answer them all. I'm really behind right now. But yeah, if you got, I mean, you'll be surprised. A lot of people, like, you send me a random question and I try my best. I don't just give you like yes or no answers. Like, I will answer you. I'll send you a chart. I'll send you a picture. I'll send you a cheat sheet. I try as best as I can to give you guys the best answers as I can. Try to get as many people as I can. So if you ever wanted to, you know, try to get me directly, that's probably the best way. Those are the main DMs that I look at now. So, let's see. The Discord is where the party is at 24/7. D Petty, let's go. The Discord is mint. Jump in. See, there you go. People love it. People love it. When you have a bullish div, but then a red dot prints right after the second green dot of a shallower blue blob. I like that, blue blob. Does that mean the bull div is invalidated? So I think what you're saying is, let's go back to Bitcoin. I think what you're saying is, you know, on the 2-day, I think this is kind of what you're saying. If you have a bull div, right, price coming down, momentum waves coming up, and then if you were to print a red dot here and then another green dot here, does it invalidate? It's hard to say. I technically, in my eyes, if we print a red dot here, it depends on how much you come down. But if you print a red dot here and it confirms, I guess technically, but you can print another one. I hope that answers your question. I don't know if I answered that well, but you can print another one. Yes. Let's see. Any word on Super Chat so we can send some love? Crypt to Grave. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. I promise it's coming. It's out of our hands. We have people who take care of it. It's out of our hands. But it is going, and we reach out to these people. They're like, yeah, the state, I guess, is dragging their feet. I don't know. But we are. It's in the works. It's in the works. I ask about it every day. I always walk into like the accounting room and I'm like, any word on the super chats? And they're like, yeah. But they're coming. I promise they're coming soon. It's going to be really big. We are completely revamping the wheel. We're going to involve super chats in that. It's going to be super, super cool. It's going to be super fun. So, yeah. Hit him with the moon, Frankie. Let's go. 449 people in here, guys. 500 likes. I'm giving you 20 spins on the wheel. Did I say 20 or 10? I'll give you 20 for 20. No, 10. Was it 10 or 20? I think it's 10. We'll do 10. Because we are just giving away extra stuff as well. So, let's see. Let's check on that poll. What are we doing here? Hardware wallets. Okay, you guys want the ledgers. All right, Ledger Nano S's. 2 Ledger Nano S. Unless that changes by the end of the stream, we'll do 2 extra Ledger Nano S giveaways today. Can't lie, guys. I don't feel good today. I feel sick. Like I feel like I'm sick. I feel like I have a fever. But we're gonna try to push through this. 42 minutes. We're still going. We're good. All right, let's get back to the charts, guys. Taking a look at Ethereum, right? You got the levels for Bitcoin. Now we're gonna check Ethereum. Okay, random line. Somebody making an NFT. There it is. What is this? Maybe the Loch Ness Monster. Maybe this is the Loch Ness Monster. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is the Loch Ness Monster, guys. Bear with me. The Loch Ness Monster has spikes, or maybe it's a dinosaur. There we go. Guys, you're not going to get this TA anywhere else. I promise you. Boom. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Guys, this is the TA that you need. This is the TA you need, guys. I don't know what the Loch Ness Monster's nose looks like. There you go, guys. Somebody make that a dang NFT. That is the dinosaur Loch Ness Monster formation here. One of the most bullish formations you could ever have. Anyway, here we go. Back to the charts. There you go. Shout out to Chemistry Bro. I think that's who called this. Textbook. This is beautiful, man. I think about you every time I look at this little rising wedge breakdown. Beautiful. Textbook. Anyway, some levels. Let's see. Basically, looking very, very similar to Bitcoin, right? VWAP coming up towards that 0 line on the daily. 8-hour yellow X. No yellow X on the 8-hour. Looking a little better, I guess, in that case than Bitcoin. 4-hour is getting some support on that 0 line, continuing to come up. Let's talk levels. Let's talk levels because, it's going to be very, very similar to Bitcoin here. Some levels I'm watching. If we can make it back up to either this level here or even this level here, this is a point of control, so this is going to be some pretty strong resistance. As you can see, we rejected off of it right here. So if we could come up to either this level here or this level here, I will possibly be looking for a short position. It's at 1099 is that point of control, and then 1123 is that next level up there. So there's some levels on ETH. Let's check chat. I don't know if I'm hot or if I have a fever because I have a splitting headache. I feel kind of nauseous. I don't know, guys. I don't know what's going on. But it is also very hot in here. So yeah. Let's check chat. What do we got going on here? Think about you every cipher sign, Frankie. Chemistry, bro. I heart you, bro. All right. Let's see. You're actually really good with the trading view drawing tool. Lunar, that did turn out better than I thought it was going to. That actually was a pretty good, Loch Ness Monster, not gonna lie. Somebody making an NFT. If there be no more 21 million Bitcoin left, how come price will go up if none are left? That's an easy answer. That's a good question to Tadas. Great question. Very simple answer. I've had people ask me this before. They go, Well, when they're all mined, why would they keep going up in value? And that's very simple. And the answer is supply and demand, right? When they're done being mined, there will be no more created. So think about it this way: simple supply and demand, right? If there right now there's more Bitcoin being mined, right? So there's always more supply coming on. So if a lot of people want it, it's not really a big deal because we're creating more, right? So there's always being more made for the people who want it. But when it stops being mined, there will be no more supply, right? So now there's a lot of people who want it, but there's no more being made. So now I got to go to someone else who owns it and be like, I want that. And they'll be like, I don't want to give it up. It's rare. Well, I'll give you more money than you paid for it. And they're like, okay, but you got to give me a lot because there's none left, right? They're not making it anymore. So it's kind of like the same reason why, like anything that's rare is expensive, right? Like diamonds. Diamonds aren't actually rare, guys. Believe it or not. It's false scarcity. It's a big marketing campaign. It was a scam. Diamonds are a scam. And I like diamonds. For the OGs that know that, I am trying to get certified to be a certified jeweler on the side. It's not even a joke. I swear. I'm like taking courses to become a certified jeweler. Very interested in gemology. But diamonds are a scam, guys. They're really cool. They are valuable, but they don't actually hold their value as much as people think they do. And they're not as scarce as people think they are. That was all the Beers Diamond Company that created false scarcity, right? That was all a marketing campaign. So it doesn't mean they're not beautiful and really, really cool, but you know, they're not as scarce as people think they are. But they're still valuable. I'm not saying diamonds aren't valuable, but they're just not as scarce as people think. Maybe it's the withdrawals from the volcanic. Oh, maybe I'm getting like the sweats from no volcanic Hawaiian volcanic water. Sweatshirt with a stain on it. At everybody smiling, Brian. I see you, Brian. Masnokas is true. I have diamond business is true. Oh, not Masnokas. There you go. So maybe you could teach me a thing or two. When is the bottom video coming out? We might work on that next week. Keep an eye out for that next week. We'll talk about it. Once we start mining asteroids, the new no metals are rare elements will be more. No metals and rare elements will be rare anymore. The entire market for rare metals will change. Yeah, 100%, 100%. Okay, let's see. Do I trust the Ichimoku cloud? I don't use it often. I don't use it. I know how to use it. I know what it is. I don't use it often. I'll make a video about the Ichimoku cloud. Let's see. I have a Cameroon blood diamond business, and this is true. Okay. All right. Wow. Listen, I am just a student of gems and diamonds, but I'm glad I was right. I'm saying this like, this is just what I'm learning, right? So it's good to get some reassurance here. Maybe you guys can teach me a thing or two or point me in the right direction for good information. Let's see. Frankie, when do you have time to study jewels? You're always working, bro. Crypto Billy, I don't sleep a lot. That's the problem. Yeah, it does kind of seem crazy because I'll literally be I'll send TA in the Discord at like 11:30, 12. And then I'll like go through the course for like an hour on the gemology stuff. But I'm taking my time. I don't have a time limit on this, so I do take my time. I do it maybe a half hour, once a week or something. So it's very slow but steady. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I just think my goal. I want to make I really like I love like bust down watches, like all covered in diamonds. I'm interested in like actually creating custom jewelry, like drilling the holes into the metal and actually setting the diamonds. I'm interested in that. I would love to make like a cool Frankie Candles pendant or something, and then like just lay it out with diamonds and actually drill the holes and set the diamonds myself. The first one would probably be garbage looking, but I don't know. It's just cool. It's like a weird thing I'm into. I don't know why. All right. So let's go ahead and guys, I hate to do this, but I really don't feel good right now. Let's go ahead and look at some alts, guys, and then we'll go back to Bitcoin and Ethereum so I can give you guys kind of an update, before we hop off. Alexander, I love you too. Thank you for that, brother. But throw some alts in there. We'll take a look at some alts. Please end early, get some rest. Take care of you. We need you well. Your Mafia Mama has spoken. Thank you for that, Captain. Yeah, guys, I there's been times where I have not felt good on stream, and I just push through it. Trust me. I really don't feel good. I'm like sweating. I don't know. I really don't feel good. I'm like really nauseous. But we're gonna push through. We'll look through some of the alts. Maybe I'll hop off a little bit early. I know I say that every single day. I don't think I've once hopped off early, but yeah, I'm actually really not feeling good. So let's take a look at some alts for you guys. Doge. Yeah, let's look at Doge. We never look at Doge. Let's take a look. Boom. Let's take a look. I'm just gonna take this off. Maybe this will help. Ugh. All right, here we go. Just from as I'm locked here on the 1 hour, we got a red dot on Market Cipher. On the 1 hour, nothing too crazy. You know, they don't really bring it down that much all the time. Okay, there we go. No stains on this shirt, guys. We're good. We're good. Let's put it back here. All right, red dot on the 1 hour. Let's come up to a higher time frame here. Okay, daily red dot. VWAP curving back up though, so not looking too bad on that front. 4 hour money flow coming up, coming down. Nothing too crazy there. 2 hour. Did I have a 2 hour? Is that 1 hour blood diamond there? No. Interesting. 8 hour yellow X. No. Let's take a look. 1 hour coming back into the green there a little bit. Interesting. This is actually kind of hard to read. Not very clear signals here. 15-minute coming down into the red. Money flow coming out on the 4 hour. Yeah, not very clear, if we're being honest. 2-day. You do have the bullish divergence on the 2-day. About to get invalidated just like Bitcoin. I'm going to say Doge looks very similar to Bitcoin. Doge does look very similar to Bitcoin. Yeah, kind of hard to read here. It looks the same as Bitcoin, to be 100%. It doesn't look the same, but really not much here. Money flow in the 4 hour. Look for the 4 hour money flow crossover for possible dump. But yeah, it's there's not really much to deduce. I don't even know if I'm using that word right. Nothing crazy. 8 hour money flow crossover into the green. That's actually, that's actually pretty decent looking, to be honest. It's like one of the only 8 hour money flow crossovers that I've seen recently. 8 hour yellow X on Bitcoin is still there. I know that Doge, there's really not much to see here on Doge, to be honest. That 8 hour money flow crossover is kind of bullish. But you have the money flow on the 4 hour coming out, so that's kind of conflicting. But you could come up a little bit, right? You could find support on that 0 line. Buzz off and get some rest. Blanchard, I see you, brother. Thank you. Shiba Inu, you said you want to learn about the diamond business. What is that area you like to learn? The customization? Yeah, like setting the diamonds. I'd love to set some diamonds. That would be cool. I know it's a lot of work. But yeah, just like I like grading diamonds. Like I'm interested in like the clarity of different stones, like the way the light reacts with them. Oh, I'm kind of into all of it. But yeah, like my goal, like it'd be really cool if I could like make my own piece of custom jewelry and set the diamonds myself. I think that'd be so cool. Frankie, keep killing it, my brother. Oh, debate crypto, guys. They're in chat. Say what's up. I don't know if it's Miguel or Keeper or both of them. But shout out to them, guys. Keeper, are you going live today? Because I was just talking to the Mafia here. I feel horrible right now. I'm like sweating. I think I have a fever. I don't feel good, so we might hop off a little early here. So if you guys are live, let them know what time. I mean, we know what time. The Mafia knows what time. We send them over there every day. But yeah, guys, if they are live today, let us know in chat, guys. But if you guys are, go head over and check out Debate Crypto. They cover everything we don't cover, right? I said this yesterday. They're the yin to our yang. So anything we don't cover, they usually cover. So you come here for the trading, you come here for the TA, except for on Thursdays. Thursdays, sometimes we're on Debate Crypto for the TA, but we cover the trading, the charts, and then they cover the fundamentals, the news, and then TA sometimes they cover a bunch of stuff. But yeah, yin to our yang. So go check them out when they go live, guys. We are going live at 7:30. Yep, 7:30 Eastern time. So regular time, guys. As you know, definitely go check them out. And yeah, I think we're probably gonna hop off. I just feel worse and worse as the time goes on here. But all right, Let's see. Of course, I finally get a 3-day weekend, and I would feel sick going into that 3-day weekend, of course. But all right, I'm gonna take a look at some of the bigger alts, guys, and then we are going to let's just go ahead and pull the let's pull the winners. Wow, guys, I apologize. I would never do this. I really don't feel good. But let's see. All right, let's take a look at XRP. Let's see. Yeah, XRP. Okay. Come over to the daily. VWAP curving up a little bit on the daily for XRP. Let's check the 12-hour. Let's check that 8-hour. We get a money flow crossover here. Not even close. 4-hour money flow back in the red. Again, looking very similar to Bitcoin. Kind of just came down. You got that scam pump coming down. Now we're rejecting off this level. If we continue down, I mean, again, major level you could watch out for. Tony just hit me up on Discord. Tony, I'm actually kind of nervous about that right now. So yeah, absolute worst case scenario, 29 cents, guys, is kind of that big level that we really have been holding well. What we called this level like way up here. I was saying like worst case scenario, 29 cents for the bear market, but that was assuming that Bitcoin would bottom out in the mid to low 20s. So if we do really start to lose the 20s and the 19s and we start really coming down to those lower targets, I think we could break 29 cents. But for the most part, 29 cents has been really good to us as far as support goes. So resistance above us, 31 cents, right? That's kind of what we're rejecting off of right now. And then 29 cents as support. And then real quick, let's take a look at Cardano. We'll cover Cardano, and then we're gonna head right into these giveaways because yeah. All right, let's see. Bada boom, right here. Okay. There you go. Snake eyes on the 4-hour. Didn't really give you much though. You did get that little scam pump as well. Kind of the same. Yeah, this looks the same as Bitcoin, guys. You break the value area low, scam pump to the point of control, back below the value area low, and now you're rejecting the value area low in a bearish manner here. Let me just zoom out so we can get this volume profile to print. Yeah. So so you got rejected, you came down, bearish retest. You might come up for a second bearish retest, and with the money flow crossover coming out, money flow coming out on the 15-minute. Let's check that VWAP on the 4-hour. Yeah. Guys, watch the 4-hour VWAP and the 15-minute money flow. If you get the VWAP on the 4-hour crossing down at the same time as the 15-minute, look out for a move to the downside for sure. It's looking like it's setting up on a lot of coins. And with that being said, guys, we're going to jump right into these giveaways because this is, yeah, I hope I can get through these giveaways. I really don't feel good. Let's see. Wheel. Here we go. Go get rest. It's like Discord's blowing up now. Like, get off. Yeah, it's funny, guys. I did not, literally, I like when I sat down to do the stream, felt 100% fine. Like 100% fine. Like I felt fine all day. I was just like, I don't know what's going on. Okay. All right. What time is it? 6:40. All right, we're gonna hop off at 7, guys. I'm gonna do the giveaways. I honestly thinking about pushing them, but let's just get through them. Okay, let's do it. You know what? Will you guys hate me? Can we do the wheel? We'll spin the wheel. Here we go. This is great. I cut it short. I'll give you guys the 20 spins. I'll give you the 20 spins, and then we'll do the giveaways over the weekend. How's that? Does that work? Let's see. Can do the giveaways another day. Okay. Let's see. Benjamin says puke and rally. Hope you feel better, bro. Okay. Here we go, guys. Let's jump into let's do the spins here. Here we go. Spin. Number 1. Push them. Do it tomorrow. Hold off on the giveaways. Okay. Go get rest. Let's spin. Okay. Adi with an interesting chat there. Okay. Rub some dirt on it, hodgepodge. Ain't no one gonna hate you. All right. Oh, there you go, guys. Started off with a giveaway. Let's go. Spin number 2. Let's get it. We'll do that, guys, because this is a big giveaway too. So I don't want to rush through it and get it all confusing. We'll spin the wheel and then we'll get right back to we'll give them away on this weekend. I'll let you guys know in the Discord if I'm gonna go live. God, guys, I don't feel good. Oh God, I like that puke and rally. Yeah, I didn't even drink my coffee. All right, here we go. We're gonna do the giveaways. 20 spins, and then we'll do the spins, and then we'll do the giveaways this weekend. If not, we'll do it on our next stream. Again, guys, I apologize. I pushed through I pushed through so much stuff. I feel like such a loser doing this, but I wish you guys knew how I feel right now. All right, here we go. Come on. Give it to him. Deep fake. Let's go. And I realized, guys, I've been like counting the spins. We have this thing to tell us how many spins we have. So here we go. Bing bong, feel better, man. Hey, FOMO Sapien, I appreciate you. Add another giveaway. Let's go. Curtis, get some rest, but no one will mind. Take it easy. I appreciate you. You guys are the best. You guys are the absolute best. Hey, another giveaway. Hopefully you guys get blessed on these 20 spins because I rug pulled you on this stream a little bit. But hey, we've gone for an hour, right? That's not, I mean, I feel like most people don't stream for 2 hours. So, but here we go. Let's give it one more. But yeah, guys, it's I feel better. You guys are the best. We got the best community, guys. But yeah, we covered Bitcoin. We covered Ethereum. I went over some alts with you guys. But yeah, yeah, we're really just missing out on, it's the sauce. It's some of the sauce, right? Some techniques, some stuff I could teach you guys. It's kind of what we didn't get to yet, but you guys got the levels. You guys got the news. And here, I'll do this. I'll do this for you. I will share when I get back to the house, guys. I will share my charts with you guys so you can keep an eye on what I'm looking at. So, wow, was that still spinning? That's hilarious. 15-minute Discord hangout. All right, let's get it. How many spins are we up to? 11. Let's go. I feel like you guys got a decent amount of giveaways so far. Let's see. How do I get in? And that's actually good too. If one of the mods can put the links to the 2 videos that everyone needs to enter, you can enter twice, once on each video. Don't bother doing like a bunch of comments because it'll only pick one. Like the thing we use to pick the comments only picks one. But you can go and leave a like, leave a comment on both of those videos and get 2 chances to win the giveaway. And then it gives some more people a chance to get in there. So maybe it's good that we do the giveaway maybe tomorrow, over the weekend, or Tuesday. Oh, give it to him. Oh, there we go. Giveaway. We're giving away the farm today. Let's go. I'm going to go poor, guys. I'm going to go broke giving away all my money. Oh, and give him another one. Oh, God. I am going to be poor. Give it to him. Pump up, big rally coming. Ooh. Put some vitamin C in that sauce. Hey, hodgepodge, not a bad idea. Let's see. Keep up the good work. I appreciate you, Duke. Wow, you guys getting a lot of giveaways today. Let's get it. 17. 100x long from here? Oh, no. Trying to join the Discord. What do I do after my bot message? Frankie, don't ever quit. See you, pal. I appreciate you, Jimmy. Reach out to Hit Merch on IG, my man. I don't know what they want to talk to you about, but they came into me and asked for you. So I was like, okay. All right, let's see. 390 people still in here, guys. Smash that like button if you want me to throw up on stream. I'm just kidding, guys. Oh my God, you guys, is this rigged? Is this wheel rigged? I think this wheel's rigged. Let's see. 19. All right, we got one more spin here. Oh no. Oh no. All right, here we go. Last spin. I feel like this is rigged. But let's try it. Last spin. Here we go. Will you get a giveaway? You guys have very, very small chances of winning a giveaway here. Oh, but you got it. Okay. Here we go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 giveaways. 10 extra giveaways, guys. That's what I like to see. I like to give stuff away to the Candle Mafia, and I wanted to give a little extra away this time just because of all the support. We reached 20K. Absolutely insane. You guys are the absolute best community on YouTube. Thank you to all the mods, and I love each and every single one of you guys. Again, I'm so sorry that I'm cutting this one short, but really, really don't feel good. I would not do this unless I was unable to do the stream, and I am feeling like in 5 minutes I am going to be unable to do the stream. So, with all that being said, 10 giveaways, guys. Keep a lookout in the Discord. I will be popping in there once in a while this weekend. Enjoy your 4th of July. Please be safe. Don't blow your hands off or anything. Please be safe. Use good risk management. And remember, if you're going to be trading today, remember it's a holiday weekend. So be ready for some weird price action. Real quick before I hop off, someone said we're pumping. I don't know if that was a all right, little pumpy. Not really, just a little pop up. But with all that being said, guys, I think that's all I got for today's stream. I'm dripping sweat. Thank you all for sticking around till the end. 387 people in here. I love each and every single one of you. Again, guys, thank you so much for 20K from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the absolute best. I appreciate every single one of you. That's all I got. I will see you guys in the Discord this weekend and on Tuesday, same place, same time, 5:45, right after ATB. I love each and every single one of you. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong. Yeah.
Tyler Ramos.